completion to a relationship, and they steady keep on keeping on, trying to bother and agitate and try to rectify energy when they were in the wrong. So there's judgment towards that, and they getting karma because they think that they control anyone and anything to go on their, you know, their way. These people, confirmation, these people feel entitled as fuck. I am getting 6 of Wands. So this is a whole lot of Wands, of passion. I'm getting like fire sign energy, Sagittarius, Leo, Aries. You can be born June 20th, June 10th. May 21st or June 21st. Yes, May 21st. I'm getting that you